Hey, what's up, guys? It has been a while, I'm just busy beside some road, it has been a long time with you guys, but I'm always doing my best to get closer to you. Today I'm not having much time, but what I have for you is that God being so good, our beloved Fatty Joe, Kotokolibu the Rockstar, has finally introduced us, and we have launched it and we have opened a recording studio, which everybody is invited. Just look at the studio is called Fatiru Recording Studio. Yes, Fatiru Recording Studio. And then just listen to things that we do in that studio. So you are invited because it's only stars. So if you see yourself there, you should know that you are stars. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. You can see our big man on there. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Miss you again when I won't freelance call anymore. Why me miss you when me babe tonight, yo. Me miss you again when I won't freelance call anymore. Why me miss you when me babe tonight, yo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Abada fa mama gonya mazo de jengi. Baby girl, well listen to me. Abada fa mama gonya mazo de jengi. Yeah. Abada fa mama gonya mazo de jengi. Baby girl, listen to me, ma. When I see your face, it be like say I see my mother. You go be my lover. You go be my lover. Hey, baby, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.